Hey, it's Professor Josh. Welcome back for another video. We got mystery boxes. We've got tons of mystery boxes and some Grail pickups, so stick around. You don't want to miss these. See you in a few. Alright, so we'll start off with the pickups because I got some pretty hot pickups here. I got one from Spastic. So I got a Spastic drop here. Every Saturday, if you didn't know, Spastic Collectibles does a drop of pops. So different pops, they show them, they pre-release them usually on Friday to show you what they look like. They don't show you the price or anything like that, but they show you condition if there's any issues, anything like that, which is really cool. And on Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern, typically, they drop. And, you know, I've seen things like Freddy Funkos, that whole week of Freddy, like a whole, I guess, score of Freddy Funkos that dropped on a Saturday. Those things sold out like so quick, I couldn't even grab one in a minute time. I was trying to grab one for myself and those kind of things. But I did score this one on a drop recently, and I used my code Professor for 10% off. So you can use that too. So that code Professor for 10% off on Spastic. Anytime, any kind of pre-order, any release like that, drop, anything but mystery boxes pretty much. If you want sodas, if you want designer toys, anything else they're dropping there, fig pins, all that good stuff. But I was able to get 10% off on this one. So that's the great thing about this. And that goes back and supports the channel too when you do that. Helps us out a little bit. But of course we got one of their new stickers. I like their bigger stickers like this. Definitely a cool sticker to keep. Alright, so I got this one. And nice job. Look at this. Got a little extra cardboard to keep it protected. This was a Grail because I have another one from this set. So I wanted to get this one to match it. And I haven't seen this too often. It's a little older. And my son loves watching this movie. As a kid, but now older even. It is Shrek. So I got Shrek. I need only now Puss in Boots. So I have Donkey. Got that a while back from a mystery box. But now we have Shrek. It does seem a little foggy, but it's just the plastic that's over the pop protector. Their own Spastic pop protectors. But this is a cool set. Yeah. It's only 3 to the set, which is kind of nice. I don't know if there's any exclusives or anything, but I'd like to just finish this set off. I love small, older sets like this. This is 2015, so you can't beat that. So it's pretty cool. So definitely one to check out. But yeah, Shrek, everyone. Who doesn't love this one? Alright. Alright, so the other one I don't have in a box because I picked it up local. I saw someone that I know that has sold at toy shows with me and stuff like that post some of the stuff he was selling at a show coming up. But he ended up not selling this one, which was perfect for me. And I said, hey, I want that. I'm really interested in that one. I'll meet you up. We'll pick it up. So the cool thing about this, it's a Freddy Funko. It is limited edition. It is a Grail. So we got Grail alert going on here, definitely, because this one is 525 piece Freddy Funko. This is Superman. This is a pretty awesome one. Definitely one to have in your collection. And it's crazy, you know, you see 525 piece and you're like, oh, I'm going to look at this. I'm looking at the PPG. PPG is never like totally right on these because 525 piece, like you see some selling, but it depends on the condition and everything like that. But this is a really cool piece. This is, of course, as you know, Freddy Funko as Superman. There are a couple other ones. There's like the Red Sun one with the red eyes and things like this. But I really like this suit. I think the best. And I think I have to upgrade this. This isn't a pop stack. I'm going to take it out of the stack. And I checked it out. It was in really good condition. There was maybe like one little thing with a corner on it. Like the tiniest thing on the corner. And that's about it. So that's why I picked it up. Really good condition, even, you know, the plastic is and everything like that. But I think this guy is definitely armor worthy. So if you haven't checked out Pop Armor, $7 a pop, makes these protectors with a magnetic lid. Solid bottom, so you don't have to worry about the bottom falling out, kind of like the pop protectors. So definitely one that I want to put in here. So let's get this guy in here. Get him nice and easy in here. Look at that. Perfect. Boom. He is sealed. He's good to go. And nothing's going to happen to this guy. So 525 piece Freddy Funko as Superman. Definitely one to have for your collection. The San Diego Comic Con, like Fun Days and all that kind of stuff, 2017. So pretty cool to see some of those that came out of that time period. And, you know, definitely 2 Grails. I mean, you got Shrek here. He's definitely a Grail, and he's just going to keep going up as he gets older and older and harder to find. Definitely a piece a lot of people probably remember, either movie they just remember, or as kids grow up and get older, kids love, you know, just like I love things from my childhood, kids love things from their childhood too. So these are going to be the harder to one find later on. Alright, so we have 3 mystery boxes today, and these will be fun because they're all about the same price point. I got a BoomLoot mystery box. This one is damaged. It's $50, damaged, possibility of pops in it, but had a guaranteed price over $50. So it was like $75, I think, guaranteed price. So it might be a little higher of a box. Definitely has more pops in it. I think 4 to 6 in it, so it's a lot more pops than probably these other ones. This one is a $50 J-Navo box, guaranteed value $50, probably has 3 pops in it. And then I have a Gem Pop box, feels kind of light. I don't know, 1, 2 pops, maybe 2 pops, but it's $50 and guaranteed value at, or $60 guaranteed value at $50. So I figured they're all about that $50, $60 range right here. So I figured this would be a good way to compare 3 different boxes, see what you can get in them, see what kind of different styles. So I'm going to start off with J-Navo. We've done J-Navo before, probably seen them a bunch. They do some great drops, a good mixture of new and old kind of pops usually in the drops. Usually have like a $25 drop, a $50 drop, $75, you know, a couple hundred, you know, those kind of things. So right in there, typically, those amounts. And we've done fairly well on them. I think I've only once hit the top Grail, and it was actually out of a Whatnot mystery box from them. But, you know, we have a good chance of getting something good, hopefully, out of this one. I don't know. This one was a little while back. Let's see, it's from April, so not too far, not too long ago. So we'll see if usually 1 in protector and then 2 not. So it looks like that. So we got that. So I'm going to go 1 out of the protector first. Show it to you, and then we'll look up some value as we go along. Boom. Magic the Gathering. So I played Magic the Gathering, the card game, in the early 90s when it came out, and I have tons of cards from actually back then, but Guric Wildspeaker. So Guric Wildspeaker, Magic the Gathering. I'm guessing this is more from the game, maybe? I don't know. Like, I don't remember this guy, but also I haven't played Magic in a long time. I don't remember all the different things from it, so it's been a while. Been a little while. They still make it though, and still make cards. It's crazy to see, you know, that kind of stuff keep going and going and going. But I have a lot of the original stuff. But Jurek comes in at a total of $9, so nothing too big, and I'm not surprised. So we got $9 going on here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Inspector Gadget. I do have this one. I did play some chase roulette with this one. And got 2 chases, I think. No chases? I don't remember. I think this one I didn't get actually any chases. Had to get it afterwards. He's coming in only at $8. So we got a 9 and $8. So we're coming in at what, 17? So we got a little ways from 50. So we have to have a decent hit, I'm thinking, for that. So Inspector Gadget is a cool pop. I definitely have it. I had several of them at one time. But alright. Let's see. Hoping for something good. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is a good one. Funny enough, I think I had 2 of these. I sold 1. I'm glad to kind of have this back because I think some new Parks and Recs are coming out soon. and I think their value definitely is going to be going up. Saw it after I think I sold it on a Whatnot auction, and I was like, oh, it's probably going to go up. So this has two different values. I'm going to look this up on the Whatnot app just to see what it's going for, and also to be able to quickly scan it and get the two different types, because it does have a shared sticker on it. So let's see. Alright, so I got the summer convention, the shared one. Shared is going for $45. Not too bad. So we definitely came in over value for this box. That's really nice. Came in, what, about $12 over value. So paid for any of the shipping that we paid for. And then this pop is definitely one to hold on for maybe a little bit and see how the value goes up on it. Because I think it will go up once they release some new Parks and Rec and people start going after the old one. I just recently pulled Little Sebastian here. This was a great one to pull. I have Ron. I don't have Leslie or April, so I need to go after some of these, maybe some of the other ones. They're definitely going to be going up in value, I think, if they actually release some new Parks and Rec pops. So very cool. Alright, so BoomLoot I think I'll do next, because I haven't done BoomLoot in a while, because it happens to drop the same time I do my live. So live every Monday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and that's when they drop their boxes. They're in California at 6:30 Pacific time. They drop their boxes on Mondays, of course, right when I go live. So sometimes I forget about them or miss them or don't think about it. But I've gotten some really good stuff from them in the past, and they mix their boxes up a lot. So this one was more of a damaged pop box, but it's supposed to come with quite a bit in it. So I like the idea. It's going to be overvalued. It is a little bigger of a box, so I'm guessing 6 pops, but we'll see. 4 to 6, I'm guessing. We'll see if we can do it without looking too much. Oh, it's a box inside a box. So a box inside a box, which can be great for protecting while shipping. And they definitely have their little logo on here. So J-Navo typically drops on Wednesdays and Sundays. They drop on Mondays. It's like different days of the week. You have to remember all your mystery box drops. Different times, different days. How many people have several alarms in their phone for the same times each week, so they know when they're dropping? I know I do. I know a couple of people out there that do. You definitely have to keep them set so you'll remember. Usually like 2 minutes before. 2 minutes before. Get ready. Alright, so I'm just seeing the bottom on these, which is kind of cool, because I don't see really old ones, so I don't see actually the photo, unless you're talking about, like, that's a while ago. But we do see, I'm just looking at the JJL stickers, I do see a 2015 and 2016, 2017, 2019, 2021, so a good mix here. So I'm looking forward to these, so I'm going to open up this one first, so let's see. Got here a 2021, and we got, oh, the Wonder Woman, the PX Previews Wonder Woman, Death Metal Wonder Woman. I think this one is the one that just came out with the Chase. I believe I have the Chase in it on order. I think I might have got it in from Chalice, I believe, but they had, so you can get them together. So pretty cool, not too bad. Alright, so let's see what she's going for. I'm guessing like $12, something right now. Pretty standard pricing. I don't see too much going on. It's not the Chase, and there's really no data. So I'm going to say $12 because that's what she costs. Like, there's no PPG data or anything on her. The Chase, though, it's definitely out there. It glows in the dark. So it does have a Chase in there. Alright, so not bad. 1, 2, 3. We got a He-Man. Oh, Battle Armor He-Man. I do like this one. I like the style, the mold of it. Definitely a cool mold. I don't think it has huge value to it, but I think we'll be coming in. So we got $12, and then we got 15. So PPG of 15, not too bad. So we're coming at, what, 27 already? So not bad at all. All right, next one we got here. Boom. Brian May from Queen. Another Queen. You know what? I just pulled another Queen the other day, so I might get the whole Queen set here soon. Let's see. He's coming in at 19. Even better. And really not damaged. I mean, the pops I'm looking at haven't seen really much damage or anything on, so that's good. So we had, let's see, 19 now. So we're up to $46 already. So with 33 pops, we pretty much have paid for the box already. Just for the box, not the shipping and that. Almost at that point. But we still have 3 more pops to go, and 2 of them are older ones. So I'm hoping these older ones have some better value. But let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ah, nice. Actually, this one was going for a decent amount for a while, and it was harder to get. Best Buy exclusive Master Chief. The weird thing about this is, of course, Best Buy. Like, it's really weird sometimes, their pops. Like, they show up in store, don't show up in the store. I don't have, it says no data on this one, but everything I'm seeing it sell for is pretty much like 20 bucks. 18 to 20 bucks depending on condition. This one's pretty good. A little ding right there. Not too bad though. Normal kind of like box wear. But I'm saying about 20 bucks. I'm going to go on to this one. I'm going to just look up on Funko app just in case it comes up. But I doubt it if it didn't come up. There, it is coming up on the Funko app as 25. So I don't know why it's not coming up on the Whatnot app. I might have to go back. Let's see, what one do we have? The PX preview. Let's go Wonder Woman just in case we have to change up. And nah, she didn't have insufficient data. But this one has been out for a while, so I was surprised. So 25 bucks isn't bad. So we are definitely coming in nice value. $71 so far. And we still have 2 more pops to go. So I definitely think you get your value out of this box. BoomLoot, I've always gotten my value out of really well. So, and Boom, speaking of Boom, this is a pretty awesome pop. Steven Universe pops are pretty hot and go up in value a good amount. And I have quite a few, and a lot of them are vaulted or getting vaulted. So they're getting really hard to get. I have a few of them myself. I believe I might have this one. I don't know. It's hard to tell because there's a little bit different ones. Sometimes they just have glow, or the Hot Topic exclusive. But this one has a glow-in-the-dark sticker. So this one's coming in at $31. $31. Man, I don't know. This box might be blowing some out of the water because 102 and we still have a pop to go. I think I did well. I mean, I could have got probably 4 of those and got our value, guaranteed value. But we got 1 more to go. Hopefully this brings us a home run here. Oh, Firefly. I don't know how much these pops are going for. There is a pretty good amount of damage on this one. Nice little, like, chunk out of the side there. I don't know. But, let's see. Firefly, Kaylee Fry. I don't know how these are doing, but some of these older, like, TV show pops do pretty well in value. This one's not too bad. It's vaulted and it's $18. So, Amethyst, I think, was our big winner. But we also have the Master Chief Best Buy Halo. We're coming at $120. That's over double value of the cost of the box. We do have a little bit damage, but really overall, not much damage. So I'm really happy with the box. I came in over value. Definitely some nice pops. Like this is probably a keeper for me. I think I have the Battle Armor He-Man already. I don't know if I have this Amethyst or not. I know it has like a Hot Topic Glow like pre-release sticker as well too. So I might have that one. But man, some good ones, good boxes. And we still have 1 more box to go. So we've done well. We've come in over value on every box. So far, my favorite might have to be BoomLoot here, because for a $50 box, I know it was quite a bit for shipping, like almost 20 bucks, 18, 20 bucks, but it's coming from California. It has 6 pops in it. Probably almost about the cost for shipping from there. But I do have this one left. So we have our restricted area Jempops box. This one is $50 or $60, guaranteed $50. So we might lose some off of this one. We might make some. I don't know. Let's see if we can figure out, I think, where to cut here. Alright. So yeah, we got this box. See if we got it. Alright. Okay, I'm going for it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one pop only is a good sign. An even better sign is when you see a gem on your box. Because I've seen a gem before on one of mine, and it was a pretty nice Grail. And this might feel like a stack. It's wrapped in bubble wrap, but I think it might feel like a stack. So I'm ready to pull something great out of this. I don't know about you guys. What do you think? Alright. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's see if the gem is worth it or not. I'll try to close my eyes and open it. Here, I'll try to get it out at least of this. Alright. It is in a stack. So I'm thinking it's one of the top hits. I don't have no idea what one it might be. I'll show you some of those up here. Hopefully we find something great out of this. Something I need for the collection. If not, we still got a top hit, I think, out of the box. Unless they put, you know, something lower in a stack. But I doubt they would do that. So and it doesn't feel like a Artist Series stack or anything like that. So let's go and let's see what it is. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, nice. The Big Lebowski. It's the Jesus or the Jesus, however you want to say it. The Jesus is in here. It has a sticker that says 105. So I don't think I have any of the other Big Lebowskis like the Dude or Walter or anything like that. But this one's pretty cool. I like his bowling ball here. Someone paid $10 at one time for it. So let's see. It's a 2013 pop. Let's see what it's going for. I'm just curious what it's going for now. It's definitely not a $10 pop anymore. It says on Funko app right now it's $95, so that's pretty awesome hit. Definitely way over value. Paid, like I said, $60 for the box. Paid about $10 for shipping. So we definitely got ahead. We definitely had a hit. I know there's some other hits I was really looking forward to, but this one's cool. This one's a good hit. And I don't see any listed on like whatnot, but one that's damaged. So that's pretty cool to have this hit. Definitely a good one to add to the collection, or maybe, you know, sell. I don't know. Might be a good trade bait for something I'm looking forward to and getting. So you never know what you're gonna find. But you have to let me know what was your favorite. We did well on every box. We came out over value, anywhere from $12 to double value. You know, we pretty much had almost double value on 2 of the boxes. We got a big hit. Got one of the big hits out of the Gem Pop box. Definitely had some good stuff out of BoomLoot. And then, of course, we had the big one. We had some nice, you know, Ron Swanson, I think, was really nice out of the J-Navo box. That pretty much paid for the box itself there. I definitely see this one going up in value over time. Let me know your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're joining me from the live and on the premiere, remember every Monday night we do a premiere. If you want to join the channel membership, that's always fun too, because you get a special badge and you get some really cool emojis. I can keep adding more emojis as we get more channel members as too. And it's cool because you see it every time you comment, and you also see it in the chats and those kind of things. You get special access to those. So hopefully you joined us on the live at 9:30 Eastern, had some fun with us. But now we do the premiere afterwards. I have a great time chatting with everyone, hanging out, and we'll see you again next time, next Monday, right? But we'll see some videos beforehand, and of course we have Pop Force 1 on Thursday nights, every Thursday night at 9 p.m. So hopefully to see you on one of our channels for Pop Force 1. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone. Thanks.